So, children, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about a very interesting and important concept called lymphatic system. Okay, children. So, what is lymphatic system, children? In this screen, you will clearly come to know that how this lymphatic system is situated in our body. Children, as like a circulatory system, that circulatory system's component distributed all over the body, like your arteries, veins, blood capillaries, right? And the blood. In the same way, children, in a lymphatic system, the component of the lymphatic system distributed all over the body. So whatever you are able to see with the green color in this screen, children, is nothing but the lymphatic system present in our body. So children, you can see clearly from the head region till till the toes region. The lymphatic system is distributed in our body. And in between, children, you can also see some granulated structures. Look at this part, children. See here, here, in the abdominal region. See here, at this part. You can see some granulated structure, tumor-like structure. Okay, so this all the components we are going to study in detail, that what exactly these gland-like structures are, what these wire-like structures are, how it work, what are its importance, and what flows inside these tubes, right? And why this system is situated in our body, as we already have the circulatory system, right, which have the heart, blood, blood vessels, okay, and that blood transport the nutrients, hormones, and the metabolic waste from one part to another part. If we already have that one transport system in our body, then what is the need of the second transport system called lymphatic system? क्यों है ये दोनों चीजें? सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है ना हमारे बॉडी में चीजों को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए, फिर इसकी क्या जरूरत है? So that everything we are going to discuss. So in this slide, I just want you to aware that how the system is situated in our body and how it appears, right? So let's start studying the components of the lymphatic system, children. Student, there are four components of the lymphatic system. There are four components of the lymphatic system. The first is lymph. Second, lymph node. Third, lymphocyte. And the fourth is lymphatic vessel. Lymphatic vessels. So children, these are the four components of the lymphatic system. Now the first of all, what is the lymph actually? So children, this word you have already learned in 9th standard in connective tissue. When we had talked about the blood and its components in detail, we discussed about this word in short, lymphatic system. Sorry, the lymph. So children, what this lymph is actually? What are its components? So student, lymph is similar to blood. Lymph is similar to blood, which is also called as tissue fluid. Okay. So the first is lymph, which is similar like blood, which have all the components similar to the blood, except, focus on this, except RBCs. ओके, लिम्फ ये कैसा है? बिल्कुल ही ब्लड जैसा है, बस इसमें एक चीज नहीं है जो ब्लड में होती है, एंड दैट इज द रेड ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स, वो नहीं है. एंड चिल्ड्रन, यू नो वेरी वेल, ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ RBCs, the color of the blood is red. अगर हमने ब्लड में से RBCs को निकाल दिया, RBCs को निकाल दिया, तो ब्लड का कलर रेड नहीं होगा. तो ब्लड का कलर क्या होगा अगर हमने RBCs को निकाल लिया? Then it will appear yellowish in color, fade yellowish color. So ultimately, children, the color of the lymph is yellowish. The color of the lymph is yellowish. ये पूछते हैं बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल चॉइस में पूछते हैं, पूछा गया है. What is the color of lymph? Yellow, green, okay? Then brown या तो फिर रेड, ऐसे ऑप्शंस रहते हैं. फिर कलरलेस ऐसे भी बोलते हैं. ओके, 4 ऑप्शंस: येलो, ग्रीन, रेड, कलरलेस. सो इसमें से आपको ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना होता है येलोइश. Then why it is not colorless? Because children, it have other components too in that. Like water is there, no doubt, but apart from that, the nitrogenous waste is there, salts are there, okay, fine dissolved particles are there, which makes the color of the lymph light yellowish. So it's not completely transparent. Okay, it is not completely colorless as like a water, because it have other components also in dissolved form. All right, so कभी कभी ये difference भी पूछते हैं. What is the difference between the lymph and the blood? So what you are going to write? You are going to write 3 points. Remember, you're going to write 3 points. What are those? Lymph and the blood. कभी कभी lymphatic capillaries और blood capillaries में भी difference पूछते हैं, हम वो भी पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो पहले lymph और blood का difference हम पढ़ लेते हैं. So just now, as I told you, the lymph is yellowish in color, fade yellowish, while the blood is red in color. Lymph content, then you are going to write all its components, like water is there, okay, salts, minerals, okay, amino acids, sugar, everything you can write which is there in the blood plasma. Okay, and here what you will write? You will write the same points. Okay, children, you will write the same point, but you have to add one more thing, and that is the RBCs. इसमें सब चीजें हैं, WBCs भी है, platelets are also there, but RBCs are not there in the lymph. So you are not going to write RBCs there, you are going to write RBCs here. Third difference, function, lymph and the blood. Children, as the blood have RBCs, so it transport oxygen, okay, from lungs to other body part, okay, and you can write other points also, that it transport the carbon dioxide, it transport the hormones, the nutrient, the waste, while the function of lymph is, it flows only in one direction. That I will explain you in detail. It flows only in one direction and carries metabolic waste of the tissue, and the lymph carries the metabolic waste of the tissues. क्या कैरी करता है ये? Metabolic waste of the tissues. So in this way you are going to write the 3 points of differences in between the lymph and the blood. अब इसका जो second component है children, that is the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes. अभी lymph node क्या होती है? These lymph nodes are nothing but the tumor like structures. याद करो जो सबसे पहला स्क्रीन मैंने आपको शो किया था, that how this lymphatic system is distributed all over the body. So there I have shown you some grapes like structure, some gland like structure. So that is the lymph nodes. अब ये होते कैसे हैं? For example यहाँ पे ऐसे lymphatic vessel है. Okay, so they are situated like this. ये जो आपको गोल गोल दिख रहे हैं ना, they are the lymph nodes. Okay, so these lymph nodes are situated at a particular distance attached to the lymphatic vessel. And what these lymph nodes are? They are the small gland-like structure. These lymph nodes are the small gland-like structure. And what they have inside? What they have inside? Inside these lymph nodes, there are the cells present, and the cells are known as lymphocytes. They are called as lymphocytes, children. Now, I hope children you remember this word earlier. We learned this word in 9th standard itself. In a type of the WBCs. याद करो, granulocytes, agranulocytes. Agranulocytes के दो टाइप थे, monocytes and the lymphocytes. Okay, so ये lymphocytes करते क्या है and how they are? As they are the type of WBC, so they have the irregular structure. तो ये हमारा थर्ड कंपोनेंट ही है. Okay, lymph nodes के अंदर क्या होता है? इन lymph nodes के अंदर क्या होता है? They have the cells called lymphocytes. Okay, now these lymphocytes are WBCs, so they have irregular shape. Okay, and they have ability to engulf the bacterial particle. जैसे कि समझो ये bacterial particle है. Okay, so they engulf this particle and which then get engulfed into the lysosomes. Lysosomes पता है ना, suicide bags of the cell. Lysosomes. So lysosomes में जाने के बाद क्या होता है? This foreign particle like bacteria or any other foreign particle which is harmful for our body, right? This get digest inside. It get digest inside. All right, student. And once it get digest, the digested material of that foreign particle is then carried away by this lymphatic vessels. ओके तो इसका मैं आपको एक टिश्यू का स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करके बताती हूँ कि हाउ इट वर्क्स एक्चुअली. सो बच्चों फॉर एग्जांपल ये आपका टिश्यू का पैच है, ठीक है, आपके टिश्यू का लेयर है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सेल्स है. ओके ये सेल के न्यूक्लियस. ऑलराइट, अब क्या होता है, आपके टिश्यू के जगह पर दो चीजें ज्वाइंट होती है, एक आर्टरी और एक वेन. सो बेसिकली आर्टरी हम रेड कलर से बताते हैं. सो ये आर्टरी है, ठीक है, जो ब्लड लेके आ रही है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लेके आ रही है. आगे क्या होता है बच्चों? इट डिवाइड्स इनटू द कैपिलरीज. ओके इट डिवाइड्स इनटू small capillaries. Okay, this you know very well now. This capillaries rejoins to form veins. Okay children, and this veins carries deoxygenated blood. That's why I represented with blue color. Now apart from this children, at the place of tissue what is there? There is a one more thing and called lymphatic capillaries. क्या होते हैं यहाँ पर? lymphatic capillaries होते हैं जो हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं. So, इस तरीके से कनेक्शन होता है आपकी बॉडी में. सो क्या होता है बच्चों, जब जब आपका आर्टरी ब्लड को ले आता है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन है, तो टिश्यूज को, ये जो आपके टिश्यूज है ना, बैकग्राउंड जो मैंने शो किया है विद स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस, ये टिश्यूज को ये ऑक्सीजन दिया जाता है। टिश्यूज को ऑक्सीजन दिया जाता है। टिश्यू से क्या लिया जाता है? टिश्यू से लिया जाता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। ये तो एक चीज हो गई। बट ये जो टिश्यू है, ये टिश्यू कुछ तो भी मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट भी तो सिक्रेट करते होंगे ना, as they are the living, they perform the activities, so they releases some metabolic waste. तो मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट में क्या क्या हो सकता है बच्चों? मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट में हो सकता है कुछ सेल डेब्रीज, जैसे कि डिग्रेडेड सेल के मटेरियल, कुछ सेल ओल्ड हो गए हैं तो वो सेल के ब्रोकन डाउन किया जाता है उन सेल्स को बॉडी में, सो उनके फाइन फाइन पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, और इतने फाइन होते हैं कि मतलब कंपैरेटिवली ये इतने बिगर होते हैं कि दिस ब्लड कैपिलरीज आर अनेबल टू एब्सॉर्ब दोज पार्टिकल्स, हैव अ bigger fat molecule, have a bigger protein molecule. Such a molecules are not get absorbed by the blood capillaries. So those molecules not remains in our tissues external environment. Those molecules get absorbed into your lymphatic vessel. याद रखो बच्चों, lymphatic vessel में कौन सी चीजें absorb होती है? वही चीजें जो ब्लड कैपिलरीज में एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो पाती है। इसका रीजन मैं आपको आगे बताती हूँ। So some molecules like cell debris, means the degraded particles of the cell, some bigger proteins, some bigger fat molecules which not get absorbed into the blood capillaries get absorbed by the lymphatic vessels. And once it get absorbed, then this thing is called the tissue fluid, or which is also called as the lymph, which then transport through this lymphatic vessel in upward direction from various parts of the body. Okay, it moves from lymphatic capillaries, it moves to the lymphatic vessels, then it goes to the lymph nodes, and then it moves forward. Okay, so वो एक connection मैं आपको भी बताऊंगी एक screen से कि how it works. I hope you are able to see the screen, children. See, in this screen you will clearly come to know that how the network of the blood capillaries and the lymphatic capillaries is intermixed. See this red color of the tube. What is this? You know, it's a part of artery. As it's shown with the red color, it is an artery. It carries oxygenated blood. Okay, and see this, children. See this blue color of the part. This is the vein, you know. Okay, the thin and fine branch of the vein, which is called venule. And the branch of the artery is called arteriole. Okay, so when the arteries further divides into the many branches, the hair thin branches, this red, okay, small red, what they are? They are the blood capillaries, you know very well. This is not labeled over here. Okay, so this red color of fine tubes are blood capillaries, you know children, it's very well. Now when this blood capillaries rejoins, देखो rejoint हो रहे हैं, तो क्या बना रहे हैं वो? rejoint होके vein बना रहे है ना, क्या बना रहे? vein बना रहे. So look at the direction. The blood is coming in this way, then getting distributed into the capillaries, and then moving in this direction, going in this direction and moving back in this direction. ये तो हो गया blood capillaries के बारे में बच्चों. बट उसके साथ साथ देखो कुछ तो भी ग्रीन कलर की भी ट्यूब्स यहाँ पे बीच में इंटरकनेक्टेड है, और बैकग्राउंड में आप देख रहे हो येलो येलो कलर का, क्या है वो टिश्यू के सेल्स है आपके बॉडी के, वेरियस टिश्यू, हेड से लेके टोस तक, पूरे बॉडी में आपके पूरी बॉडी में सेल्स है, पूरे बॉडी में टिश्यूज है, तो हम कोई भी एक रीजन की बात कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, राइट. सो ये आपके टिश्यू के सेल्स. सो ये जो आपके टिश्यू के सेल्स है ना बच्चों, ये सेल्स मेटाबॉलिज्म करते हैं और ये कुछ वेस्ट सिक्रेट करते हैं, राइट. सो दे सिक्रेट सम मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट इन द एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर एनवायरमेंट. सो एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर एनवायरमेंट में क्या ये वेस्ट वैसे पड़ा रहेगा? सम बिगर प्रोटीन्स, सम बिगर मॉलिक्यूल ऐसे कैसे पड़े रहेंगे क्या? नहीं. तो जो चीजें डिसॉल्व फॉर्म में है, बहुत ही फाइन है, फाइन पार्टिकल्स that get absorbed into the blood capillaries. Metabolic waste of the tissues I am talking only, but those which are very fine get absorbed by the blood capillaries. But those which are in a big size, like bigger proteins, bigger fats, which not get absorbed by the blood capillaries. Such a bigger molecule get absorbed into the lymphatic capillaries. और फिर ये lymphatic capillaries इस डायरेक्शन में उस वेस्ट को कैरी करते हैं और इसको आगे ले जाते हैं. फिर आगे क्या होता है? फिर आगे ये बड़े बड़े वेसल्स बन जाते हैं, बराबर. यहाँ पे नोड्स भी होते हैं, लिम्फेटिक नोड्स, लिम्फ नोड्स. फिर अगर कुछ फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स है वो यहाँ पे डिग्रेड किए जाते हैं और फिर उनके डिग्रेडेड मटेरियल और आगे कैरी किए जाते हैं. कहाँ तक कैरी किए जाते हैं बच्चों? सो ये सारा वेस्ट कैरी किया, सारा जो वेस्ट है ये कैरी किया जाता है आपके कॉलर बोन तक. लुक एट दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ये सारा वेस्ट कैरी किया जाता है इस तरीके से डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट से. ये आपके टिश्यू का जो वेस्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड लिम्फ और टिश्यू फ्लूइड, ये कैरी किया जाता है. और इसको बच्चों कहाँ तक लाया जाता है? इसको लाया जाता है ये वाली वेन तक. I hope you are able to see this vein. This vein is known as, children. So the waste from the various body part is carried up to your collar region. This is your collar region, okay, by the lymphatic vessel. And at the place of the subclavial vein, at the place of the subclavial vein, okay, this is the subclavial. At the place of subclavial vein, this all waste which is carried by the lymphatic vessel, the tissue fluid that carried by the lymphatic vessel is then transported into the blood vessel. यहाँ पे कॉलर रीजन में कनेक्शन होता है. किसमें कनेक्शन होता है? दो अलग अलग सिस्टम्स, एक लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम और एक सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. इन दोनों में ये वाली जगह पे कनेक्शन होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड सबक्लैवियल वेन. सबक्लैवियल vein. At this place, the lymph is thrown into the blood circulatory system. तो यहाँ पे ये दो सिस्टम्स मिक्स होते हैं ये वाले रीजन पे, और ये सारा वेस्ट आपके ब्लड में ऐड किया जाता है ये वाले जगह पे. और यहाँ से ये सारा वेस्ट आपका ब्लड कैरी करता है अप टू योर किडनी, and from your kidney this all metabolic waste is then removed out. So basically हमको इससे क्या समझ में आया बच्चों? Why this system is situated in our body? जैसे कि आपके बॉडी के टिश्यूज जो मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे उसमें से कुछ बिगर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, लाइक बिगर प्रोटीन्स, बिगर फैट्स एंड सम डिग्रेडेड मटेरियल ऑफ द सेल which is not get absorbed into your blood capillaries. Such a bigger material get absorbed into your lymphatic vessels, and then your lymphatic vessels transport all this tissue fluid, that is the lymph itself, to your blood circulatory system, and then your blood circulatory system transport all this waste material up to your kidney. Okay children, and apart from that, the function of the lymph node is to degrade the foreign particles like bacteria and the viruses or any other foreign particles, right? So these lymph nodes have the white blood cells called lymphocytes, and they fight with this disease causing microorganism such as bacteria. Okay children, so in this way the lymphatic system is distributed all over the body, play an important role in the transportation of the lymph, which is nothing but your tissue fluid, okay? And then this all material then get transported up to your circulatory system at the place of this collarbone, that is the subclavial vein is responsible to add all this material into the blood once again. Okay, so children, let's discuss now the difference between lymphatic vessels and the blood vessels. Student, now we will discuss some points of differences in between the blood capillaries and the lymphatic capillaries. Blood capillaries, okay, and lymphatic capillaries. अब देखो, जो blood capillaries है ना बच्चों, they are open from both the ends. Your blood capillaries are open from both the ends. From its one end, they are connected to the artery, and from their another end, they are connected to vein. From one end to the artery, from another end to the vein. So they are open from both the sides. But children, the lymphatic capillaries, they are open from only one side. They are open from only one side and they are closed from the another side. Children, blood capillaries have very tiny holes. They have very fine holes which can absorb only the soluble form of the things like salt, mineral, sugar, amino acids, minerals. But children, the lymphatic vessels have the bigger pores. They have some bigger pores that can absorb the bigger proteins and bigger fat molecules and the degraded material of the cell also. So they absorb the tissue fluid in this direction. Okay. Now children, blood capillaries can transport the blood. Sorry, we are not talking about the blood here. Actually, we want to discuss about the transport through it. Okay. So the blood capillaries transport the things from both the direction. Now, what things about I'm talking, children? See, the blood capillaries can transport the nutrients from blood to tissue, nutrients. And the blood capillaries also takes the waste material from the tissue. It takes the waste also from the tissue. So blood capillaries ने क्या किया? टिश्यूज को न्यूट्रिएंट्स दिए, ये एक डायरेक्शन हो गया, और टिश्यूज से क्या लिया? वेस्ट मटेरियल लिया. सो द फ्लो इज बाई डायरेक्शनल फ्रॉम ब्लड टू द टिश्यू एंड फ्रॉम टिश्यू टू द ब्लड. बाई डायरेक्शनल फ्लो है. But lymphatic vessel transport the tissue fluid only in one direction. That is from tissue up to the lymphatic vessel. This is only one direction. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो lymphatic vessel से बाहर आकर टिश्यूज में जाता है. कुछ भी नहीं. सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या होता है? टिश्यूज से ही मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट lymphatic vessels में जाता है. lymphatic vessel में से टिश्यूज को कुछ भी दिया नहीं जाता है. So the flow is only in one direction. Okay, एक बार वापस बताती हूँ. Blood vessels, okay, blood vessel transport the nutrients to the tissue and takes the metabolic waste from the tissue. टिश्यू से वेस्ट ले लेते हैं और टिश्यूज को न्यूट्रिएंट्स दे देते हैं. ये काम हुआ ब्लड कैपिलरीज का. बट लिम्फेटिक कैपिलरीज का कैसा है? ये टिश्यूज को कुछ भी नहीं देते हैं. रादर ये टिश्यूज से उनका मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट सिर्फ लेते रहते हैं. ऐसा वेस्ट जो ब्लड कैपिलरीज नहीं ले पाए, ऐसे बिगर मॉलिक्यूल्स lymphatic vessels absorb कर लेते हैं. Right? So the flow of the fluid in the lymphatic vessel is only in a one direction, and the flow of the fluid from the blood capillaries is in bidirection, is in both the direction. Okay, so in this way you are going to write the difference between the lymphatic capillaries and the blood capillaries, children. Okay, and we also discussed about the difference between the blood and the lymph. Okay, so in this way the topic lymphatic system is over here. What are the components? Let's revise in short. The lymphatic system have 4 components. Okay, what are those? The one is lymph, मतलब कि वो चीज जो fluid form में है, which is similar like a blood plasma, which is similar like a blood. What is not there? RBCs are not there. Which is yellowish in color, fade yellowish, and which transport only in one direction. That is from tissue to the lymphatic capillaries. Second, lymph nodes. They are the gland-like, small gland-like structure situated all over the body where the lymphocytes are present. So the third is lymphocytes. As they are the type of WBCs, they fight with the disease-causing microorganism inside the lymph nodes. Rather, they get mature inside the lymph nodes, and then they play their important role in the blood itself. मतलब lymph node में वो mature होते हैं, and then they transported by the lymph, and then finally goes into the subclavial vein in our caudal region, and from there they goes into the blood. Okay, and the fourth is lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessel, vessel मतलब tube like structure, जो भी हमने देखे ऐसे है ना, lymphatic vessels, right? They further divides into the fine tubes called lymphatic capillaries. Okay, like this. So they are the lymphatic vessels. So this is about the lymphatic system, children. Now, if you have any doubt regarding this, the lymphatic system, you can ask me.